Welcome back. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about the sum if function and how to get that done. Now, sum if helps to calculate the sum of range of cells. Now, if a condition is met. Now, in this scenario, I want to be able to sum all the quantity that has been sold that has apple in it. So any product, basically, I want to basically sum all the products that says apple, and I want to have the total quantity that has been sold at the end of the day. Now, this is how to go about it. I'm going to use the sum if function. Remember, you start writing your functions by using an equal sign. So I'm going to say sum if, and I'm going to open up the bracket. Then I'm going to select the range. And once I've selected the range, I'm going to put the criteria. Now the criteria basically is apple. So any app, I want it to sum every product that has got apple and give return back the quantity for only apple in this data set. Now once I'm then done with that, I'm also going to select the quantity. I'm going to close the bracket, and that is done. So this is how to do it. So basically, what this function has done is it has looked into this product from B2 to B6. It picks up apple, and then has also returned a summation of all the apple quantities that have been sold in this data set. You can see apple here is 5, apple here is 2, and apple here is 1. If you add it together as 5 plus 2 plus 1, and you're going to get 8. And that's how to get it done. Now, if you've learned one or two from this tutorials, and if there's any questions you basically would love to ask me, please do well to drop down in the comment section. And do not forget to also like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next video.